Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a compass at your home with the help of a needle or a wire. So I am using a needle basically, as you can see, and I'm comparing it with my smartphone compass. As you can see, it is very accurate, just like your smartphone compass. So to make this, basically what I'm going to use is, first you are going to be needing a needle basically. So it can be a metal needle, or basically it's a sewing needle, or you can even use a metal wire, basically iron wire basically, but it's hard to find and not that much great. So anyways, so it's pretty easy. So this, you're going to use this, and you also need a magnet. You can use any magnet, by the way. You can use a pencil magnet, or I have this speaker, broken speaker magnet. So any magnet will work, and you just have to rub it into its surface like this. So magnetism will be created inside of this sewing needle as well, basically. So just 5 to 10 times and you're ready to go. So now I'm just using a thermocol as a floater basically. So I'm just going to insert it like this, and there you go. Now you have your own compass. Now let's test it. As you can see, it will always give you correct direction of the north, and it's just, as you can see, comparing it with my smartphone e-compass, it is just as accurate, and sometimes even more accurate, because sometimes you have to calibrate this one, a smartphone one, but this one always gives you right direction. So yeah guys, this is it. If you like this video, please make sure you like it and subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and bye.